Some people say January is the Monday of months, but maybe they don't know that you can go dry and still enjoy every moment with alcohol-free snacks. The perfect January choice. Want to share a laugh with friends or tears? Or you don't have any friends? Perfect. I meant the snacks, sorry. Tough day, have a not necessarily cold one. Are you a lawyer? We're not encouraging alcohol consumption under any circumstances.
Sorry, but snacks have never had alcohol.
Neither have they been advertised like this in January. Have some fun. Goals never tasted this good.